Most new traders blow their first account within months, and almost every time it's because they picked the wrong asset to learn on. Today I'm ranking 8 tradable assets from S to D. One question: which ones actually give you a fighting chance? Ground rules. S tier means most forgiving to learn on, predictable, liquid, well documented. D tier means the asset will quietly liquidate you at 3 AM while you sleep. This isn't about which one makes the most money, it's about which one gives you a chance to survive long enough to actually get good. Let's go. Starting here, individual stocks: Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, whatever's hot this quarter. Good news: real companies, real fundamentals, real catalysts. Bad news: one earnings miss and you wake up to a 15% gap with no chance to react. Tradable, but not training wheels. B tier. Next, meme coins. Microcap altcoin CFDs. Manipulated, illiquid, 50% candles in either direction. This isn't trading. It's gambling with extra steps. Straight to D. Hard pass. Euro to USD, the most traded pair on earth. Razor thin spreads, unmatched liquidity, and every textbook, every course, every free YouTube video uses it as the default example. For a beginner, that isn't boring, it's a gift. S tier. Oil, WTI, and Brent. The chart can look beautifully clean until OPEC tweets and the entire structure breaks in 60 seconds. Inventory reports whip it weekly. Geopolitics whip it daily. Beautiful asset, brutal teacher. C tier. US indices, S&P 500, NASDAQ. Trending, narrative driven. They teach you to actually read the macro story. They gap on overnight news, and earnings season turns clean charts into chaos. Excellent, but respect the session. A tier. Exotic forex, Turkish lira, South African rand, Mexican peso. Spreads are wide, overnight swaps eat you alive, and central banks intervene whenever they feel like it. You will get stopped out by a press conference you didn't even know was happening. D tier. Gold, XAU to USD. Traders love it because it actually respects technical levels. Support and resistance mean something here. Drivers are clean, dollar strength, real rates, geopolitical fear. Volatile enough to be interesting, slow enough to think. S tier. And finally, Bitcoin. I know, half of you already hate me. It's not S tier. Trades 24/7, which means it moves while you sleep. No circuit breakers, weekend gaps are routine, the asset is fine. The problem is, you haven't built the discipline yet to trade something that never closes. C tier. There it is. Now you know exactly which one you're typing about right now. Good. Fight me in the comments. That's where the real lesson lives. If this changed how you think about what you're trading, subscribe. We do this every week. And if you want to trade these markets with a broker built for traders who already know what they're doing, link in the description. Trading Sphere. See you next one.